What's up, YouTube? What's going on? Welcome to another video. We're just gonna have fun and that's it. So, Darren's talking to his mom right now. We hanging out. He's playing ping pong. About to go ride my bike. A lot of stuff. Alright, I'm gonna pick up my bike right now. Alright, here we go. Let me ride my bike. Got it. Got it. Alright. I'm gonna let y'all see. Hold up. Alright, here we go. Let y'all see what I see, but a little bit more different. Here we go. Alright, I'm getting YouTube equipment. It's just that I don't have it right now. I'm getting it. So, don't worry if I don't have any YouTube equipment. And I have what I need y'all to tell Alan. Well, shout out to Alan first. And all my other friends. But Alan, he doesn't stop making fun of me about oh, I don't have any YouTube equipment. Blah, blah, blah. And, it's getting really annoying, but still, he's my friend. Shout out to him. I don't really care if I'm in the squad or not. I'll probably make my own one day. And I'll probably be good at it. So, I'm going to keep y'all on for a little bit more, and then it's going to be the end of the video. And most of the time, it trims it by itself. So, don't be getting mad at me. Oh, Aiden, your YouTube videos, you don't have the ending thing, outro. I'm like, I know, the iPad trims it by itself. I don't know if it does or doesn't, but I don't cut out my outro, so I'm gonna see y'all later, and have a good one, suckies. Peace out. Aiden Blaze here, subscribe, and that's it.